Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Virgo, let's see. Energy update, June 16 to 30, 2025. Moon, perception. O, maaring merong malaking ganap sa inyo, no? Ngayong new moon in Cancer sa June 25. You may also feel a bit emotional during this time. This is related sa home life, family life, or nagkakaroon ka ng alam mo, yung iba pwedeng midlife crisis or identity crisis, or parang you feel like you want some change, no? Yung iba sa inyo, relationships ang nagiging issue. Some of you, pwede kasi nagkakaroon ng conflict sa family tsaka sa partner mo. Halimbawa, hindi na magkakasundo yung family mo at saka yung partner mo, or vice versa. Ikaw, hindi ka nakakasundo ng family ng partner mo. But I also see you na magve-venture sa isang business partnership in the future or ngayong second half ng June. Let's see your overall energy. What is the overall energy for Virgo? June 16 to 30. The Queen of Cups, o diba? Emotions na naman. So, you may feel emotional during this time. Bantayan nyo yung emosyon nyo. Kasi pwedeng maka-apekto yan sa mga actions na gagawin nyo. So, you have to be careful in making decisions and taking actions. But also, pwede nyo rin naman tong i-transmute into something positive, which is your creative talents, your skills, or connecting more sa iyong higher self, sa instinct mo, sa intuition, being more spiritual, practicing meditation, ganyan. Your challenge is the Wheel of Fortune, which is about change, which is about movement. Maaring may mga times na nagpo-procrastinate ka, yung parang dinidelay mo yung mga gawain na dapat ginagawa mo na. So, iwasan mo yun para magtuloy-tuloy yung progress, no? Magtuloy-tuloy yung pagbabago. And then, your opportunity is the Ace of Swords. So, there is a new beginning for you. Pwedeng merong bagong work, bagong door of opportunities na nagbubukas para sa'yo. This can also be good news na parating. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo makakapasa or nakapasa kayo sa exam. Yung iba naman meron kayong interview. So meron kang opportunity to try a new job or a career. Or meron kang bagong kaalaman, no? Or ito'y aaralin mo. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? What is the blessing for Virgo? What is the blessing for Virgo? The Six of Swords. So, this is moving to a new direction. Umaalis ka na sa gulo, umaalis ka na sa conflict. So, yung iba, kung medyo maraming issue talaga sa family, sa home life, ito yung tipong magsosolo ka or lilipat ka ng bahay. Or kung family na kayo, may sarili ka ng pamilya, tapos nakatira ka sa poder ng parents mo or ng iyong in-laws, I think may pagbubukod na gagawin dito Diyan sa second half ng June. To para magkaroon ka rin ng peace of mind. Yung iba may travel opportunities, pwedeng lilipat ng trabaho sa mas magandang work, na nangangailangan na kailangan yung lumipat ng bahay. Oo, kasi ganun 'di ba? Minsan maganda yung opportunity pero malayo na siya sa original na bahay nyo. So pwedeng yun yung reason kaya magre-relocate kayo. So let's see the energy of your money. Money. Ang ganda. Queen of Pentacles, this is your energy. I feel like pagdating sa finances mo, hindi mo naman kailangan problemahin yung finances mo during this time. your needs are all met. Kung ano yung mga pangangailangan sa family, para sa sarili mo, kayang-kaya mong i-provide yan for you. What is the energy of your career? Uy, ang ganda. 10 of Cups. Fulfillment. Kaya siguro emotional rin kayo kasi nararanasan nyo or mararanasan nyo na yung gusto nyo para sa career nyo, sa business ninyo, or kung ano man tong focus ninyo ngayon, especially in your finances or your career, source of income. So, merong fulfillment dito. Ang ganda. Yung iba sa inyo, masaya kayo kasi meron kayong naayos or na-overcome na financial struggle or financial challenge in the past. So, ngayon, kumbaga, dati may mga utang kayo, unti-unti nababayaran nyo na, yung mga loans ninyo, malapit nang matapos, gano'n. So, there's some sort of happiness here. And I think, malaking bagay rin yung partner mo or kung sino man yung taong nagsusupport sa'yo ngayon, can be a family member as well, na kumbaga katuwang mo sa buhay. Let's get an oracle card for you. Money, career, finances for Virgo. Okay. Stay low-key as you get the job done. Ayan. So, low-key lang daw, tahimik lang daw na ginagawa yung iyong mga activities, yung iyong mga work, ano man yung mga plans mo, stay low-key. Hayaan mo lang na wala masyado nakakaalam at i-announce mo kapag tapos na-accomplish mo na. Be careful with who you deal with anything related to your finances. So, maging maingat daw, lalo na kung merong papautang, 'di ba? Tapos, minsan, pag pinautang mo, sila pa yung galit pag siningil mo. Or magkaroon ng issue, problema, pagka mag-anak, 'di ba? So, yeah. Pag mga ganun daw, ang gagawin, tutulungan na lang. Oo, kaysa pautangin. At least, pag tumulong ka, hindi na sila, kahit hindi ka na umasa, na babalik sa'yo. Okay, sa love life, you have the 8 of Swords. Someone is, merong nagdedesisyon sa relationship. Oo. Parang gusto niya umalis. Gusto niya kasi maging happy. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. So, maaring magkakaroon ka ng clarity if you really want this relationship to continue or kung gusto mong ayusin. Oo. Let's see what else. Sa love life ng mga Virgo. O, diba? May freedom. Yung iba sa inyo gusto nyo kumawala. Yung iba sa inyo kakawala sa inyong kasal. Oh my God. You want freedom. You want to focus on improving yourself. So, sa reading naman natin, pwedeng mag-resonate ka sa money, career, finances. Yung iba naman, hindi mag-resonate sa love. And vice versa. So, for some of you, you feel like there is a limitation sa situation mo, sa relationship mo. Lalo na kung kasal na kayo ng person mo. I don't know, pwedeng you want to separate or you just want na i-communicate sa person mo na gusto mo na nagagawa mo yung iba pang bagay na interesado ka. 'Di ba? Pwede naman yun eh. Pwede naman pag-usapan yan. So, you just have to be open sa conversations with your partner. Baari kasing may gusto kang gawin tapos hindi ka pinapayagan. Kailangan kumbinsihin mo. Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. Ayan, be kind. Malaking bagay yung nagiging kind tayo sa ibang tao kasi hindi rin natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nila. Na we just have to choose to be kind. Sabi nga, it's better to be kind than to be right. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Yes. May mga pagbabago raw talaga. Kailangan lang magtiwala ka at maging adaptable ka, flexible ka sa mga changes na yan. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. Wow, meron kang i-discover na potential mo. This can be your abilities, your talents, your skill set. Actually kasi hindi naman natin talaga alam agad-agad kung ano yung purpose natin sa buhay or ano yung ipupurso natin sa buhay. Kaya nga, yun yung bagay na exciting rin sa buhay natin, which is to seek, hanapin, to explore, to discover. So that's what I'm seeing for you, Virgo. You are discovering yung mga untapped potentials mo na pwede mo palang gawin. Ayan. So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.